Yeah. Take the chicken out. We had everything in there. Every green, yellow, whatever vegetable available and things.
Y'all having a good turkey?
Yes.
Making a dog documentary.
He's so tired. Oh, little baby. Oh. Where you going, Squirt? Baby. He's ready to go sit out and get all spruced up here now. Oh,
Who's that on TV?
Yeah, who is that?
I don't know the word I will put in.
That's a
Yeah, you
grandma
just run
always
on television.
watch.
You're not recording yet, right?
No, it's just a monitor now. This is how we set it up. We put Puppy outside and set this up on a tripod. And we can watch Puppy outside while we're sitting doing whatever we need to in the apartment. So you don't have to keep looking out the window. Yeah,
Oh,
whenever she
there
barks,
you
you know, you can just
are.
watch on TV and say, oh yeah, okay, it's time for her in.
It's up there
Yeah.
because...
Oh, we gotta get a song.
Here we go.
You'll have to wear your Santa Claus suit at Christmas. Yeah, really. Wear your Santa Claus suit down for Christmas. We'll get some pictures.
Y'all gonna be here Christmas?
Sure, with the camera. You can show us your wink.
And y'all bring your Halloween costumes down.
At Christmas? Sure, okay. Yeah.
All that.
All right. You got all kinds of good things. Well, no, I won't scratch.
Are you asleep,
Asleep.
Mama?
Hmm?
You asleep?
I'm not sleeping with my eyes open.
Does that look better? That does, doesn't
You
it?
cold?
Thanks, yeah.
Yeah, I think it does, yeah.
Mama's cold. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, Amy. Look at the turns up there.
Lee's
He
sound
took pictures
effects
of it.
exactly like he does then.
Every time Amy turns her back, somebody gets a picture of her.
That's the way I like
Jake
it.
looks natural.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
Good.
Oh, man.
I get still, I get sleepy. I get ready for now.
Ah, sleep with that again.
Yeah.
Come on, give me the batteries.
We had batteries.
That guy is asleep right now.